Alright, what's good YouTube, man? We back with another one. So today, man, we're gonna be going over how to rotoscope. So I got this video clip pulled up. You'll duplicate the clip, just click this icon, and we'll start rotoscope. Once you got your subject rotoscoped out, what I like to do is turn the background off. Now, this is where it get crucial at: the feather, the contrast, shift edge, and the reduce chatter. Simple little rotoscope. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave your thoughts and opinions. More tips and tricks are on the way. This is part 1 of the part 3 series that I got coming. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.